Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are exploring the relationship between ISO 27701 and ISO 27001, two internationally recognized standards that address information security and privacy management. Understanding the relationship between these standards is crucial for organizations seeking to enhance their privacy and information security practices. ISO 27701 and ISO 27001 share a common foundation in information security management. ISO 27001 is the established standard for information security management systems (ISMS), providing a framework for organizations to establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve their information security practices. ISO 27701 builds upon ISO 27001 by extending its scope to encompass privacy information management systems (PIMS), addressing the specific requirements for protecting personal data and ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. ISO 27701 integrates privacy requirements into the framework of ISO 27001. While ISO 27001 focuses primarily on information security risks, ISO 27701 extends this focus to include privacy risks associated with the processing of personal data. By integrating privacy requirements into the ISMS, organizations can address both information security and privacy concerns within a unified management system, streamlining processes and reducing duplication of efforts. ISO 27701 and ISO 27001 have complementary objectives that contribute to overall organizational resilience. ISO 27001 helps organizations protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information assets, safeguarding against a wide range of security threats. ISO 27701 complements ISO 27001 by providing additional measures to protect personal data, enhance privacy controls, and demonstrate compliance with privacy regulations such as the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and CCPA, California Consumer Privacy Act. Together, these standards enable organizations to establish a comprehensive approach to information security and privacy management. Organizations that have already implemented ISO 27001 can leverage their existing ISMS framework to streamline the implementation of ISO 27701. ISO 27701 provides additional guidance and controls specifically tailored to privacy management, allowing organizations to enhance their existing information security practices to address privacy requirements effectively. By integrating ISO 27701 into their ISMS, organizations can achieve a more holistic approach to managing information security and privacy risks. In conclusion, the relationship between ISO 27701 and ISO 27001 is one of the synergy and integration. By aligning their information security and privacy management efforts with these standards, organizations can enhance their resilience to security and privacy risks, build trust with stakeholders, and demonstrate their commitment to protecting sensitive information. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome any questions or discussions on this important topic. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.